How to fix black screen on Discord screen share. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if you are experiencing a black screen while screen sharing on Discord, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Restart Discord. Sometimes simply restarting the Discord app can resolve minor issues, so close the app and reopen it. Update Discord. Ensure that your Discord app is up to date. Outdated version might have compatibility issues. Restart your device. Sometimes a device reboot can fix glitches or issues with screen sharing. Network connection. A poor internet connection can sometimes lead to issues with screen sharing, so ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. Check app permissions. Make sure Discord has permission to access your screen. Adjust screen share settings. Before you start sharing your screen, double check the settings. Make sure you've selected the correct screen or app to share. Check for app conflicts. Other apps running in the background may interfere with screen sharing. Try closing unnecessary apps. Reinstall Discord. If the problem persists, you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Discord app. This may resolve any software-related issues. Contact Discord support. If none of the previous steps work, consider reaching out to Discord support team for assistance. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix black screen on Discord screen share. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.